Initial setup and pairing. Turn on the pods by holding down the main button of both pods for 3 seconds. Once they are turned on, you will hear a prompt indicating that they have entered Bluetooth mode. About 3 to 5 seconds later, you will hear another prompt indicating that the teams have been connected. Now it is time to pair them to your phone. Open up the Bluetooth connection menu of your smartphone or tablet and turn on the Bluetooth. Wait a few seconds for your Bluetooth connection options to appear. You will see the connection option for IQ Podz 05. Please choose that one. Once it has connected, you are ready to go. If two IQ Podz 05 options appear in the pairing process, please turn off your Bluetooth, wait 3 to 5 seconds, and turn your Bluetooth back on. If two IQ Podz options still appear at that point, please reset your pods by holding the power button down for 10 seconds. Start the pairing process again and only one IQ Podz 05 option should appear. Select that one and it'll connect. Once you have successfully set up your pods and connected them to your device, the next time you power them on, they will automatically connect to the device that you have set them up on. Power on and power off. To power on the pods, press and hold the main button on each pod at the same time for 3 seconds. To turn off the pods, press and hold the main button on each pod for 3 seconds. Charging the pods. To charge the pods, you will first need to remove the rubber covers over the charging ports of each pod. You will then need to retrieve the included USB charging cable. This unique cable features 2 micro USB connectors. Plug each of these connectors into the charging port on each pod. You will now need to connect the USB cable to a power source, such as a USB wall charger, computer, or power bank. Once you have plugged in the pods to a power source, red indicator lights will turn on to indicate that they are charging. When charging is complete, the red lights will turn off. Song control. While listening to music, you can pause and play songs by pressing the main button once on either pod. To skip to the next song, double-click the main button on the right pod. To skip to the previous song, double-click the main button on the left pod. Phone calls. When receiving an incoming call, press the button on the right pod to answer the call. To reject a call, press and hold the main button on the right pod for 1 second. To end a call, press the right pod button once. During phone calls, the audio and the microphone will only be active from the right pod. This is to prevent any echoes or lag when speaking on the phone, which would disrupt your call. You can also look at your included Easy 1, 2, 3 pairing guide or detailed instruction manual, both of which are provided in French and English.